So our keynotes are respectively from members of a capital project supply chain, and the first of those is Topcon Positioning Group. So Topcon is the leader in measuring and positioning instruments in surveying and construction. And engineering, we each use 3D models in engineering and surveying and construction. Why can't they be the same 3D models, and could we call that constructioneering, if you like? And we have announced today a cooperation with Topcon that has many aspects, including our joint cloud services and each offering services of the other for constructioneering. And to explain the significance of that, no one could do it better than Ray O'Connor, the CEO of Topcon, who will speak next.
Thanks, Frank.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Thanks, Craig. Good morning. I'm Ray O'Connor, President and CEO of Topcon Positioning Group. And I'm really excited and honored to be here with you, the leading builders of the world's infrastructure. I especially want to thank Bentley for their great efforts in organizing this event to recognize your outstanding achievements. Bentley's investment in advancing infrastructure demonstrates its commitment to raising everyone's quality of life, a core value that is also shared by Topcon. Special thanks to you, Greg, and the great team you have here at Bentley. When I first heard the term constructioneering, I thought, wow, why didn't we think of that? For the last 25 years, Topcon has been driven by an overriding vision, the automation of construction, the largest manufacturing industry in the world. I've been in front of many audiences, professionals and leaders like you, educators, editors, my own executives. But honestly, this vision has always been hard to explain, and even harder to prove that it can be done. But when I heard constructioneering, I knew it was the perfect word to grab the attention and understanding for what we've been working towards for so long. Then, with the opportunity to join with Bentley to help bring constructioneering to life, I knew all the pioneering and all the efforts by so many will finally take a huge leap forward. Working together, the vision of automating construction with its goal of creating affordable, smart, and sustainable infrastructure will become a global reality. In recent years, Topcon has ridden the wave of technology, many times created our own waves, to provide solutions that have advanced construction automation. As the world's leading supplier of surveying instruments, I trust that many of you are aware of the array of measurement and machine control solutions that we offer to greatly improve the quality and efficiency of surveying, civil engineering, and construction, especially the building of infrastructure. What many of you may not know is that for the past decade, Topcon has been at the forefront of automating construction workflow processes and its mobile, field, and machinery workforce. A business mantra that I grew up with, as I'm sure many of you did, is you can't manage what you can't measure. For Topcon, this has special meaning because our core business is precision measurement. Whether collecting data by optical or GPS instruments, scanners or high-precision drones, or the execution of designs through 3D automation solutions for earthwork and paving, our business of measuring and machine control is constantly evolving. With the rise of GIS and demand for BIM, the domain of measurement expanded exponentially. The old world of analog workflow is being pulled into the digital age. We live in a 3D world, but now work in a 4D environment with 5D constraints and 6D requirements. The relativity of time and space now lives in all the sensors and systems we create. The Topcon platform to manage the seamless connectivity of our measurement instruments, sensors, and control solutions with the flow of data and design to and from the office is our Magnet software suite. With its introduction 5 years ago, our mantra transformed from "you can't manage what you can't measure" to "you can't manage in real time what you can't measure in real time." Now with mass data capture solutions joining the workflow in real time, the data you work with is constantly updated to give you real-time information at all times. We call this continuous representation of reality, the real-time key that unlocks the door to constructioneering. By injecting these capabilities that create continuous representation of reality, we are accelerating the industry's ability to actively connect the virtual and the real. And now, thanks to this exciting connection between Bentley and Topcon, constructioneering is a reality. You will hear more about this and begin experiencing its amazing benefits as Bentley and Topcon work together to create seamless and unique services that will link and optimize survey, design, execution, as-built, and lifecycle management. But for now, let's take a look at constructioneering as it exists today. Topcon provides a full suite of mass data capture technologies, ranging from scanners to mobile mapping systems, UAVs, and multiple imaging solutions. Data from these sensors can be stitched together in our Magnet suite or moved directly into Bentley reality capture solutions and used for visualization and planning in both the conceptual and final design phases. This seamless connection of the Topcon and Bentley clouds may not sound like a very big deal, but let me reassure you, it is. What is happening here today is a revolutionary change in the way infrastructure is built. By the seamless sharing and transferring of data between the Topcon and Bentley cloud, we are opening a new bridge to construction automation. A perfect example of this exciting new process in action is our advanced road profile measurement solution, SmoothRide. It is constructioneering, a constructioneering-ready system designed for fast, safe, and accurate capture of road profile data. Thanks to our connected environments, its high-precision data can flow directly into Bentley open roads for design. Once validated, machine-constructible models are created and sent back to the 3D control systems on the milling and paving machinery via the Bentley Topcon cloud pipeline. The entire process is fully optimized. No lost time, no missed data, no wasted material. What used to take weeks or even months now takes hours, maybe a few days. It's the result of the perfect harmony between measurement, design, construction, and inspection, all seamlessly connected. Now we can truly manage construction progress in real time. All the tools we offer for the site, whether used by man or machine, are real-time connected with each other and with the office. Task assignment, monitoring, and design updating is expedited using the Topcon Bentley connected solutions. Progress is recorded and managed as the job progresses every minute, every day, every week. This is quite literally where the rubber meets the road. Real-time connecting of Topcon measurement and machine control with Bentley design and project planning. This is the reality of constructioneering. Optimize all work. Speed construction through automation. Real-time visibility of progress, clashes, budgets, and finally, creating a real-time digital model all of the time. As simple as it sounds, this creates a revolution in our business. I can't thank Greg and the Bentley team enough. Their brilliant concept of constructioneering combined with our solutions to deliver a continuous representation of reality finally connects the core technologies to eliminate waste and automate construction. The largest manufacturing industry in the world, with the global output valued at over $8 trillion in 2015. Most importantly, with this leap forward, we gain added strength to overcome the infrastructure crisis that exists in all regions of the world. That's why we're so passionate about automating construction. It is critical to meet our core value of Topcon for human life, our global motto that applies to all divisions of Topcon: construction, agriculture, and our medical business. Infrastructure is a critical social need that relies on our community of technologists and manufacturers to meet the steadily increasing global demand. I'm sure that most everyone here today knows the numbers. Global population growth, especially in regions with underdeveloped or non-existent infrastructure systems, is rising exponentially. During the same period, the financial commitment to meet these critical needs is continuing to rise. According to Standard & Poor's, the gap between the financial ability and estimated cost to adequately meet the global infrastructure demand is projected to be $36 trillion by 2030. Let me repeat that. By 2030, the accumulated financial shortfall to meet infrastructure needs will be $36 trillion. As overwhelming as that is, it becomes even more of a challenge when the issue of workforce distribution is also factored in. Where do the skilled operators for this massive undertaking come from? Improved highways and safe bridges are of course important and tend to get the lion's share of attention. But the critical needs for energy transmission and sanitation systems and safe water delivery are vital for life itself. So where do we find the answers? Right here in this room. When companies like Bentley and Topcon align our technologies and expertise, when the companies you own and operate embrace the investment for automation of your industry, and when our governing bodies and ministries engage with us for the public good, then we can truly automate the world's largest manufacturing industry in the world, construction. Thank you very much.